Hey everyone, and welcome to the second unboxing of my recent Amazon haul. So today's video is going to be the Wireless Go Rode microphones as per the box. So what we should be getting is receiver and transmitter, a windshield for using outdoors, 2 USB cables for charging presumably, an SC cable and the pouch. This obviously operates on the 2.4 GHz band, and that's all for the packaging. So I'll get it unboxed. Okay, so once you get through the outer packaging, which is extremely strong, so you don't need to worry about anybody stealing these, stealing parts from inside them if it's packaged up in this way. You're then presented with a secondary box. So let's go and get this open. So firstly, you get a quick start guide. You're then presented with the transmitter and receiver, which don't seem to want to come out. So you have to take the whole thing out. Okay, so both of them are clipped on at the back. So be careful when taking these out. You don't want to end up breaking your clips. Right, so no matter how many times you actually see these on video, nothing actually prepares you for just how small these actually are. So we'll get the plastic wrap taken off. And the main reason why I'm looking into all of these microphone systems is I've been having quite a few issues with the lapel mic that I was actually using. So what we'll do is we'll just pop these. This feels a lot heavier than you'd expect. So yeah, 2 USB-C cables. So USB-A to USB-C for charging. Just on the side there. So what we'll do is, this is the receiver, so this is the one where you're going to have your display. So on the side you have a USB-C for charging. You then have, I believe that's your input into whichever device you're going to. You've got a DB button for adjusting that, and I'm not 100% sure what the other one is for. In fact, that looks like it'll be a pairing button, possibly. And then this is the transmitter. So receiver, let's turn it on. So not much battery off the bat. And then let's turn this one on. And this one's just going to have the blue lights. And straight away you can see they're paired instantly. So that's actually very impressive in terms of just how fast they are. Let me just turn that off. So that's now off, and you can clearly see it's not receiving a signal. So turn it on, blue lights are on, and that's it, it's paired, and it is as fast as that. DB button, so you can see the little mark adjusting depending on where the sound is coming to. But yeah, so that's what you get. Battery's low, so what I'll do is I'll just turn these off for now. And it does give you a little battery indication for the transmitter as well, which is nice. So turn both of those off. So as I say, this is a TRS to TRS cable. You get 2 lots of, okay, so that just literally just clips in. No real satisfying click or anything. You do feel it go in, so you do feel it push in, but there's no actual click to that. You get your quick start guide, just giving you a little bit of information, similar to the one that's actually on the main packaging, and then you get your little pouch, and you also get a silica bag that in my case is burst. So this is quite nice in terms of how compact all of this is. And what I'll have to do is obviously I'll have to charge everything up in order to actually test this properly. The pouch itself is enough for both of those. However, if you were to put one cable in for charging, it doesn't leave you much room for a TRRS cable to be dropped in there as well. Presumably though, your charging cable, especially in my situation, it's just going to be left at home. All of this is pretty much going to be left at home, so not too bad in terms of space, and obviously it means that it keeps it a little bit more compact. So that's the unboxing video. Please stay tuned for a full review and also comparison against the Saramonic microphone with the Rode video mic, the Wireless Go mic. You do need one of these SC7 cables, TRS to TRRS patch cable, in order for it to actually communicate with the iPhone. With this particular one, the price difference between what you get on Amazon for non-genuine ones as well as the genuine one was pretty much the same in terms of Rode accessories. So this is what you get with the Rode microphone, and as you can see, both of these have a single ring, and what you want is in order for it to communicate, you need it like that, where you've got two rings. So 1, 2. This one, as I say, the price difference, I think one of them was literally just 5p cheaper, so I thought I may as well just go for the genuine Rode item, and hopefully that should keep me in good stead going forward. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe to the channel, and thank you very much for watching.